How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to MojoGrip. Mike here. I am back at the build facility, a different build facility today, and I wanted to give you guys an update on the airplane build. Stay tuned. Here we are, guys. Actually, last time you saw this plane, you see that the wings were actually attached, and so the last time I was here, we'd done the fit in for the wings, but we had to disassemble it so we can have the final build. Now, if you follow the series for this build, I've tried to explain things here and there and how we got here. So right now, this airplane is pretty much at the end, the finish line of the build. Once we put the last pieces together, then the airplane will go through an inspection and we start flying. Now, since also you've seen this airplane last, a few things have been done. Last time I showed you the interior space, all of the side panels there have not been put in, and we've since put that in. The back seat, I think you guys saw that already. Also, you look in the back there and you see that all of that has been padded. And the patterns actually go beyond just what you see back here. Let me give you an example, just so you know that attention is paid to details with this build. So if you look in here, see if you can see it. If you see right here, this is also foam padding, and the reason we have that there, vibration, and for the wires and stuff running through the stem, we want to protect it from cutting or whatever the case may be. So the padding goes all the way beyond the cabin. And obviously you guys have seen the exterior, but also something that's new with the interior. Last time I showed you guys, we didn't have the control stick, and I might make a separate video about this particular control stick here. I went with Toston, and guys, Toston is a great brand for experimental. They're only a few $100, and you have so many really cool options you can choose from. I went with this one because I love the simplicity of it. There's not a lot of buttons, so it's not too busy for me. Less is more. That's always my slogan, and so I love the look of this, and it's nice and fitting. And also, if you notice, the stick itself, we covered it with vinyl black paint because I didn't want it to look like this with the exposed aluminum and silver color. So I wanted as much black as we can get in here. I'm actually even thinking about painting those rudder pedals we have there black as well. That's another thing we added since the last time I showed you guys. So those are more cosmetic stuff. They actually add a little bit of weight to the airplane, but I prefer that to just the blank metal thing that you press on. So yeah, right now a lot has been done. You look up to the roof as well. These were put in now. I think we're gonna have these adjusted, but you see we kept the black in here all the way through, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4. These are for the doors. Normally it would just expose the screws. Nothing else is done up here. As you guys remember, I showed you the avionics that we put in, so nothing has changed. We've got the G3X Touch, the G5, GTN 650, and then the autopilot there. So nothing has changed much. Trying to see what else is new here. I'm not sure if the pull for the parachute was put in the last time that you guys saw this. So that's the pull for the parachute there. So we got a little lock on that. And in a normal scenario, that would be the same. Once you're ready to take off, you release that lock. Make sure you take that lock off, just in case. And then nothing much here. We've got the air vents, push to start. So all of this is pretty much the same from when you saw it last. The seats, these are now put in more permanently. If we need to take them out, adjust them, we'll do that. But the plane is coming up. And then if you come to the exterior here, these are all the components that needs to now go on the main airframe. We've got our stabilizer stuff here, and you see everything has been opened up. So today, tomorrow, and probably the rest of this week, this is what I'm gonna be working on. I'm here to build, and I want to see this plane through. As I was joking with the guys, I said, listen, I only bought a one-way ticket on this trip, so I'm flying this baby home. That's the plan. So you guys stay with me. I want to thank you all for watching and following the progress so far. The cowling right there, the right wing also. But guys, stay tuned. This thing, you're gonna see it finished, you're gonna see it flying. I hope you guys have enjoyed the journey so far. We're gonna move to phase 2, which is the actual flying of the airplane. I've made so many reviews of airplanes and so many reviews of this build, but it's time for you guys to see me fly, and that's coming. All right, hope you guys enjoy this one. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if this is your first time. Guys, also make sure you subscribe to the new channel, MojoGrip Clips. The link is in the description below. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.